How's it going, you guys? This is Bad Boy AK. In this video today, we're going to be doing a special review about Car Guys Plastic Trim Remover, which I got right over here. We got Car Guys Plastic Restore, And basically, Car Guys Plastic Trim Restore, what it does is that it restores the faded finish that you have on your plastic trim. I heard this probably works on convertible tops too, so I'm not sure about that yet, but this is intended for plastic trim, meaning that anything that you have ABS plastic, like your rocker panels, your mirrors, your side mirrors, pretty much all that stuff it restores. And without going any further, I'm going to be showing you guys how you do this. It basically tells you the instructions about shake well, apply a small amount onto the surface, let the product work for 10 to 30 minutes. You could let it sit overnight too, which it stays right over here. After restoring buff surface with a clean towel, and then let it dry for 10 minutes. After airing to help prevent dust and dirt from sticking to a second wipe down to ensure all excess of the product is removed. And we're going to be testing that out. And without going any further, I'm going to be showing you guys how you do this. And it's really simple, and it's not anything like rocket science or anything like that. But it says restores anything made from plastic, rubber, and vinyl. Long lasting, easy to use, contains UV inhibitors to help protect against drying and fading. So yeah, without going any further, we're gonna go to the garage and I'm gonna show you guys the before and after on how it looks like when you apply it onto the car. So as you guys can see right over here, this is where the problem is for pretty much any type of car you buy. The plastic trim of the windshield, the underneath that thing, whatever you call this plastic thing that's you could use from the Car Guys plastic restore removal thing, this is all faded out, and even though you can't really see it since the hood is too up, it just looks too bad. And that's what I'm gonna show you guys, the magic trick. What you're gonna see here, you see how it's all faded out. We're gonna make it look all brand new again within a few minutes, and we're gonna let it sit, and then I'll show you guys the after results afterwards to show you guys that this product actually works. So let me apply this at least halfway down, and then I'll show you guys the before and after of the difference between when you apply the Car Guys plastic trim removal on one side versus the other side. Well, it's kind of hard to do while recording to show you guys how it is, but this is like 10 minutes from now. And 10 minutes from now, you can see how much of a big of a difference this thing does. The Car Guys plastic Restorer is really a crazy product, and you can see the difference right over here. And this is all dark black, and this is faded. You can see this thing is probably OEM. No one has probably, it's over a 10-year-old car. No one's probably ever changed they never got a new one of this, the plastic of the thing that goes underneath the hood. I forgot the name of that thing is. Correct me if I'm wrong what that thing is called. You can put a comment down below what you guys call this thing. But anyway, you can see right over there in the middle area, it's faded. Here, it's dark black. And let me show you other places that I also applied it, and you can see a big difference this thing does. But this right here could show you guys how good this product does. Right over here, I didn't even apply anything right over here. And if we go down right over here, I didn't apply anything from there. I just want to show you a small portion of how this thing works. And this is how dark black it is. I believe that you don't have to keep on, I don't know how many months this thing will last or how long. I'll put another video to show you guys the time scale on how long this thing lasts. But for now, it really is dark, like dark gloss black finish. And you can see right over there, the edges is gray. But I'll show you guys other areas that I also applied this. So I applied it on my back bumper too. And as you guys can see, this is black, and compared to this is my diffuser right over here from Street Arrow, and it's a diffuser that goes all the way around, and that's how the color is right now. I didn't apply it on this, but this is gray, gray, and this right over here, you can see a difference that this is blacked, it's gloss black finish. It used to look like this, what you see here, and that's the color it's supposed to look like. But since I applied it on here and I let it dry for a long time, it changed the color of the whole bumper. The whole bumper's like gloss black now. Not gloss black, but maybe like dark matte black of like a satin black finish. But anyway, it looks good. The product really does work. I'm gonna show you guys my side skirts. Not sure if you could see this very well because of the camera lighting, but you could see this used to look gray, and this also became dark, like a matte dark black. And I did on the whole rocker panel, and it looks brand new. Like I got a brand new rocker panel for both sides. It restored the finish. The product really does work.
I don't know how many months will last. I'll put probably another YouTube video to show you guys the lifespan on how long this thing lasts. But since this is a garage kept car, I shouldn't have any problems with how long this is gonna last. But I'll still give an updated video about it. But anyway, that's how it works. It really just apply it on there, let it dry, and maybe overnight let it just dry there, and then you're gonna see a big difference in the shine and the gloss finish you're gonna get on your plastic trim, and really does make a difference. Like, I have no words to explain on how well this product does. Buy this product from Car Guys Plastic Restore, and it really does a significant difference to your car. Not sure how long this thing will last, so that's why I'm gonna say we'll make an updated video to show you guys the lifespan of this product. But that's the rocker panel. It really looks brand new. It changes the whole entire appearance. At first it used to look ugly, but now it looks of a matte black finish that looks good in the sunlight.
And back to square one, you can see that I applied it right over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really dark black. And right over here, I applied it, and it really changes the whole texture of the finish of the plastic. It makes it look more of a rich, solid color. Even though it is a matte, finish, it makes it gives it a little bit of a more gloss shine to it. And this product really does work, and I have no words to say about it. Buy this if you can, Car Guys Plastic Restore. I'll put the link in the description, link in the bio where I purchased it. But anyway, that's it for all the trims I did. This is like pretty much all the trims. I got the rocker panel, the backside of the rear bumper. That's over here. I've got the name of this thing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't really have too much of a ABS plastic stuff, but yeah, I got it done, and it really does make a big difference. In conclusion, that's it for this product. And the questions I get, will this product last? My answer is yes. How long is it gonna last? I'm not sure, so that's why I'm saying I will make an updated video to show you guys the lifespan of how long this thing lasts. But since this is a garage car, it shouldn't give any problems since it's mostly in the garage. But it really does change the entire appearance of the all the trims I had, and I give it a 12 out of 10. I could probably give it a 10 out of 10, but mostly a 12 out of 10. I'll put the link in the description, link in the bio on where you could purchase yours as well too. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Comment, like, share, like you always do. Take care, and have a rest of your fantastic, beautiful day. Peace out.